If your trading account is restricted, there's no need to panic. To resolve the issue, it's essential to understand the common reasons behind the restriction, which can include incomplete identity verification, insufficient funds for a transaction, or violating the platform's terms of service. To begin, log into your account and check the notifications to see if any details have been provided about the restriction. These notifications often provide clues about what needs to be resolved, and you may need to take specific actions. For example, if identity verification is pending, you will need to submit the required documents, such as a government-issued ID. If there's a funding issue, ensure your linked bank account has sufficient funds or resolve any transfer problems for terms of service violations. Review the platform's guidelines and take corrective actions if possible. If you're unable to fix the issue on your own, you can reach out to the customer support team by following these steps. Open the app or website. Tap on the profile icon, then the menu icon. Scroll down to the support section, and click on the Help Center option to search for your query. If you don't find the answer, go back and tap on the Contact option to chat with the support team for further assistance. Once you've addressed the issue, the platform will review your case, and if everything is in order, you should receive a notification or email confirming that your account is no longer restricted. To avoid future restrictions, keep your account information up to date, ensure sufficient funds for transactions, and follow the platform's terms of service. Fixing a restricted account can be straightforward if you follow these steps.